Yeah, it's dodging rain again. What do you expect? Hey guys, welcome back. That's right, I'm back out here in front of the garage, dodging raindrops again. I'm hoping I get this in before it gets bad, and I don't know what it's going to do. We're trying to watch it. So back out here in front of the garage, coming back, and we're bringing you, I'm still playing with this flat top, guys. I'm going to do some Bacon Chipotle Bacon Smash Burgers out here with some cheese. Got a little Bacon Chipotle mayo sauce I'm gonna top this with some lettuce, tomatoes, big old chunks of bacon, and just see if we can bring you just a nice little smash burger. Just still playing with this grill. Let's get going, guys. Guys, I'm gonna make up this little spread just for a burger. I don't know, maybe ½ ounce, just regular basic mayonnaise. Maybe ½ a cup. I ain't sure how much it is. Very simple. Check this out. I got this Grill Mates Bacon Chipotle. Tastes really good on burgers, guys. I'm really anxious to put it in this spread here. I don't really know how much I'm putting in. We'll whip it up. We'll whip it up and see what it looks like. Maybe just a little bit more. Check that out. Oh wow, that's gonna be awesome. This is just some 80-20 ground chuck. I'm just gonna loosely pack these balls. I don't know how many I'm gonna get here. I don't really know how. It's about 1.5 pounds. I'm not really weighing them up. I might even make the boy here a little one. Hopefully he'll eat it. I don't want to press these much at all, especially this little one here. You know what? I'll make compromise on these here. Alright guys, we'll see you out there at the flat top. Hey guys, I hope this lighting is good. The sun is not shining. We're gonna get some bacon on here. Some hickory smoked bacon. Oops. Awesome on these burgers. These things are flip. That's gonna be perfect. We'll melt a little butter off to the side over here. As we'll pull these off, I'll bring some bread out here and get it toasted. Looking good. This bacon is perfect for the burger. Clean this up a bit. Alright guys, ain't gonna take long here. So that, guys, I don't know if you can see that. Try to turn it. Got bad lighting out here now. Alright guys, just a little olive oil right here. Not much. Moment of truth. Can man cook a smash burger? Let's find out. And a little baby. Here we go, guys. Parchment. Oh, look at there, look at there. Love it so far, guys. Got them a little further away. Let's do this. I am excited. Go back with a little bit of this bacon chipotle seasoning. Alright guys, we're getting some bubbling on top here. If we're gonna try our hand here. Yeah, we'll see. Oh, look at that. Can you see that? Could have used my wider spatula, but look at there. Look at that. Oh my God. Awesome, guys. Going on with some Monster cheese on a few of these. Yeah. I'm gonna save it for the little one. I ain't gonna give him the cheese. The lid on, help that melt. Alright guys. There's a thing of beauty right there. Look, nicely toasted bun with some of this bacon chipotle mayonnaise on the bottom. Burger's too big for the bun. I love it. Some of this bacon. That Monster cheese. Oh my goodness. I'm not even sure this is legal, guys. Lettuce. Slice of mayo. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish this up with a little bit more of this bacon chipotle mayo. That. Right on top, guys. It's my bacon chipotle cheeseburger right there, guys. Can you say messy? My first ever smash burger. Guys, check out the bacon chipotle smash burger right here. That was a big bite. That Monster cheese, man, that jumped out there. The bacon chipotle mayo, guys. That's a new flavor. Guys, check it out. McCormick's makes it. Another bite, guys. Big chunk of bacon there. It's a messy one. I'm gonna call it a pass. Ken does smash burgers. Oh yeah. Guys, give this recipe a shot. It's real simple. I kind of made it up, and I kind of went from a recipe I seen on McCormick's website, and kind of went from there. But all in all, it turned out awesome, guys. So you want something a little different, you got a griddle, smash it up, guys. I love that char that this griddle gives. You Blackstone guys, I know you get the same thing, but mine's on a Cuisinart. Love it, guys. Thanks so much, guys. Appreciate you watching. You have no idea what you mean to me. Hit that like button, smash down on that subscribe button if you haven't already. We got a bunch more to come, guys.